Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You will begin by preparing the essentials. Pick a folder and open Notepad now. Create a folder named Locker where you want protected files because the script targets that exact name. Once done, copy a small batch script into Notepad that toggles folder visibility and renames it. This first step gets you into the action immediately. Make sure you run Notepad as your user and save the file as lock. Bat in the same directory, so the next steps work without extra configuration. Now implement the locking behavior by pasting the provided batch code that hides the folder and requires a password to reveal it. Save the file as lock. Bat, choosing all files as type so it becomes executable, and place it alongside the locker folder. Run lock. Bat wants to create the protected folder and set your password when prompted. If you need to change the password later, open the Bat in Notepad and edit the password string. This keeps the method simple and transparent while avoiding third-party tools. To finish, routinely use lock. Bat to toggle locking and unlocking. Store a backup copy on a USB in case of accidental deletion. If your folder seems gone after locking, enable Show Hidden Items in File Explorer. The batch hides and changes the folder name. If the script fails, run it as administrator or open it to verify the folder path and password line are correct. One quick troubleshooting tip. Wrong folder names break the toggle, so confirm exact spelling and location before blaming permissions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.